How to fix Apple Media terms and conditions have changed error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Apple Media terms and conditions have changed error on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So whenever you try to agree to the terms and conditions, there is an error that pops up which does not allow you to agree. So if that's the case, there are not many fixes for it. The only fix for it is head over to your settings, go to general. On your general, head over to software update, and on your software update, check if there is an update available. Update your software and then you can head back. After that, scroll down till you find language and region. Tap on it and there you'll see an option called region. Tap on region and make sure that you're on the correct region. Change this region to your country and then you can head back. After that, the final thing that you can do is head over to your just restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Doing that, your iPhone will force restart. Now, after that, if your problem is still not fixed and if there are only some apps that are affected, you can simply uninstall the app by long pressing on them, tap on remove app and delete the app. After that, you can simply reinstall the app from your app store and the problem will get fixed. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.